So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you all are aware, the Arcade Facilitator program, which is a no-cost gaming program where we learn about cloud computing and win exciting bonus points, has been ended. That is, it started from 1st of April, as you can see here, and it ended on 2nd of June, that is yesterday only. So here are some of your queries which I will answer and some important updates. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel for more such amazing updates. Now let's start the video. So basically the arcade program ended on 2nd of June as I said. So what are the some important updates I've been covering that as the program ended, now all your progress done from 2nd of June has been frozen. Like if you completed any batches on 2nd of June, whether it's around 11 p.m. or 11:49 p.m., it will be recorded. So no need to worry about it. You will be getting the points which you have done for that particular period, that is from the 1st of April to the 2nd of June. So no need to worry about it. Now the main important thing here I am with the updates. So you will be getting the progress report from the final progress report, to be more precise, from the data of 1st of April till the 2nd of June. So it will contain all your progress report, including the games, skill badges, game badges, and the total bonus points which you have earned during this tenure. Also, some of you guys may be worried that whether it will contain points for the January to May or June. So no, it won't contain the point from January to June as per latest update. If I get any update, I will share it with you. No need to worry about it. So as per latest update, the progress report will be containing only as you are seeing the progress report. You might be receiving it in your mail. If you are unable to see, you need to contact your facilitator or just check your spam box. Now the report containing all the data like how many skill badges you have earned and the game badges and the arcade trivia games. So these are the game badges. So some of you guys were asking like you have done this games on 2nd of June. But some of you were asking that you have done some games on 1st of June, but in the progress report it was not reflected. So will the points not added? So no, it's not because the progress report was generally 24 to 48 hours older report generated. So suppose the report was generated around 4 p.m. and you completed a particular badge around 6 p.m. So it's obvious that the progress won't be shown on that particular report and it will be updated on the next report. That's why they have ended the program on 2nd of June and now they are filtering the data. So I will tell you now what's happening with your records of all the participants. First, let me clear this. Now you have completed on 6 p.m. As you said that you have completed badges on 6 p.m. and you have got the report earlier, say you got in 4 p.m. And as you know, as I said just now, that the progress report are generally 24 to 48 hours older, so it does not contain your latest report. Now, when the final report will be coming in the coming week, yes, the final report is coming in next week. That is most probably Monday to Friday, anytime it will come. I will make a video. Also, I will update on my Telegram channel. So, if you haven't joined the Telegram, do join it. Now, the main thing is that once you have got the report, if you have any queries like it's showing different badges or anything like it's showing inaccurate skill badges. Like suppose you have on 44 skill badges, but in report it shows 40 skill badges. In the final report I am talking about. Then first of all you need to count the badges. So whether there is duplicate entry, duplicate badges like you have on, suppose the basic of cloud compute you have earned twice. Yes, it's possible to earn this badge twice. So if you have earned this badge twice, then only one badge, the latest badge entry will be counted. So for that you need to understand this thing. Now I am going to tell you what will happen about in the this tenure. Like what will happen now. Once the program ends, what happens? So now they are doing validation check. So what is validation check? This is the most common question. Basically, some of you guys have made incorrect entries like entered wrong emails, incorrect public profiles, like adding white space or just entering misplacing with some letters, or just sharing incorrect URL. So now you are given the chance, as I made the video just yesterday also, that if you want to update your public profile and have any badge related issue, you can either contact me, or it's better if you have enrolled under any facilitator, contact them. And if you need any help, you can contact me. So some of you guys have already contacted me, and I have helped them to update their profile pic, not profile URL, to be more precise. Sorry. So some of you were facing that issue. So that has been resolved. Now they are filtering the data. Now, if someone has not updated the profile, now there is no chance to update the profile and the progress report. But if the progress report that is generated previously was showing correct, and now if the progress report, the latest progress report with the same public profile, if it's showing any badge issues, like you have one, as I said, 44 skill badges and it's showing 40, then you can contact us, and then we will move forward to the arcade team and just cross verify. First, you need to manually verify it, that whether you have earned that badge or not. After that, one more important thing is that the validation check removes the duplicate entries, as I said, incorrect profile. Then after that, they will regenerate the complete progress report. Basically, they don't generate individual reports, they generate the report in bulk. Like more than, suppose 20,000 participants have participated in the program, they will be generating a together of 20,000 participants, and just send them in bulk manner, in batch wise. Like suppose I got around 4 p.m., you'll get in 6 p.m. In the same manner. So you need to wait for it. And the progress report, once the progress report is out, I will update you. Don't need to worry about it. Now, the most important thing is that some of you guys haven't participated in the arcade program. So first, let me tell you how you can participate. So currently, June games are not live, and as you know, the arcade facilitator hasn't, but arcade will continue till June. So we are in the arcade homepage, and as you can see here, May games are there, but you cannot complete as the games already ended on 2nd of June. So now in place of May games, June games will be live. What you have to do once the game are live, I will make a video how you can join the game. Basically, it's simple. Just click on start. Sign into your Qwiklabs account, paste the access code, and just join. I know many of you know, because you have already achieved, some of you have achieved Ultimate Milestone 2 in the program, that is more than 75 points. And that is in Facilitator program, it's 75 points, but in arcade, it Legend Tire like mini app achieved 85 points. As you can see here, 85 points are mentioned here. So this is the thing. All trivias will be also live one by one. You can complete it. And if you face any issue, you can let me know in the comments. Now, let me quickly summarize this video, that what will happen in the Arcade Facilitator program. Now, validation checks have been begun, that inaccurate and incorrect data will be removed, and you will be getting fresh report with complete bonus point details in your email. So stay tuned. And after that, one more important thing is this: when you have got the progress report, you can check it out, and then after the progress report are sent, if you have any problem, you can reach out to us, any facilitator, or just reach out to me in the comment section. Now after that, one more important thing is that you need to understand that here are the skill badges. Suppose you want to complete skill badges, here are the list of skill badges which you can use to complete your progress. Like June games won't be enough. Like there will be 11 points game, that is 10 arcade game, but you still need minimum 20 points. So for that, you have to do, suppose you have 10 arcade points. Now for 10 arcade games, you have to 10 arcade points, sorry. You have to do 20 skill badges here, more than 50 are present, you can do it. You can also do the 10 laps equal to 10 skill badges, like you'll be getting 5 points with just 10 skill badges. I mean, you will get 10 skill badges. What does it mean? By doing just 10 laps, instead of doing 5 to 10 laps, you will be doing 10 laps, and you will be getting 10 skill badges. One lap, one skill badge. I want to say that. So hope it clears. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. A new video I'll make, what are the important steps needed to be eligible for the price counter. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you have any query, do let me know in the comments. Thank you.